Hi everyone. In this quick video, I will show you how to fix the Google form no longer accepting response issue step by step. If people cannot submit answer to your form, don't worry, let's get it working again. So check form setting. First open your Google form at the top, click response. If you see accepting response is turned off, the toggle will be gray like that way. Let's open and form, like we can go with the contact information. First open your Google Chrome. At the top you will get to see the response one. You just need to click that one, click response, and if you see accepting response is turned off, the toggle will be gray. Just click the toggle to turn back. It should say accepting response, so you just need to come over that place, and from that place no response published, so you just need to click this one and you just need to select that response, and your form will start accepting submissions again instantly. Now let's talk about the check for limits. Next, make sure you haven't set any restriction that block responses. Click setting here icon, and then here you just need to be, so here you will see your setting. So here you can see the response. You just need to go over here and then check if you are limited to one response per user. This can confuse people if they are trying to submit again. If needed, uncheck that box and click save, and then double check that you are sharing the correct form link. Sometimes people send the preview link instead of the live link. You just need to click to the send and copy the link from there and share that with your audience. Also make sure you did not restrict it to your organizations only. Uncheck restrict to users in my organization if you want response from anyone. Then once you fix the setting, always test it. Copy the form link, open it in an incognito window and try to submit a test response yourself. If it works for you, it should work for everyone else too. And if your form is completely stuck or corrupted, you can duplicate it. Click the three dots, make a copy and give it a new name. Share the new link. All response will go to the new form with fresh setting. And that's it. Now you know how to fix a Google form that's no longer accepting response. If this helped, please like, subscribe and comment below if you want more Google tips. Thanks for watching.